Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back. Today we will be trying our sampling. This is called Simply Mexican Grill. It's Mexican food, and it's almost like what is that place called? Chipotle. It's basically the same concept, but this one isn't a franchise. It's I guess it's owned by one person. There's only one of them in the area. So, but I want you guys to look at that. Look at that. Oh, my lighting's a little high. Let me turn it down. There we go. Look at that. Or you can say it's sour cream, cheese, vegetables, chicken, black beans, rice, and lettuce in it. And it's so freaking good, you guys. Look at that. I even think there's jalapenos in here. And you guys know how much I love jalapenos. Look at that. The peppers. And yes, I'm eating with the spoon. Look at that. Look at that. I don't even know how to act right now. Oh my gosh. And my background, I'm at work. I want to get you, I'm going to squeeze you guys in. Come on. You guys are just as important to me. Look at that. You see those onions? Look at that. Look at that. Let's see. This is one of my favorite spots to go to. Like, I do not go to Chipotle no more because they be taxing. And this is like, for this whole bowl, $7. I get this every time I go to work. Every single time. Look at that. Y'all gotta excuse the sour cream because this ain't no joke. I'm a shoveler. I just want to shovel it all in my and I'm a hot mess at the same time. Like, Mexican food, that's one of my top favorite foods. Definitely one of my top favorites. Next to Japanese food. As a baby, when I say I love me some sushi, I love me some sushi. Sushi's that's my go-to for anything. I'm feeling any kind of way. That's my go-to. So good. And you guys know that I don't do no editing in my videos, so let me fix the lighting. So you know, it's always a go. But look at this, you guys. Freaking look at that. I'm gonna take a big, big bite just for you guys. Look at that. This is exactly what I need. Definitely when you're going the whole day, and this has like everything you need to survive in this one bowl. And everything's so fresh. That's the one good thing about franchises that, you know, when you get these little funny little things on the side, they're always like, you can find some crappy places, but a lot of times they just be so fresh. You know what I was thinking? Since I love taking you guys to different spots, you know, and we don't always record in the same area and stuff like that. That we should go on a food tour or something like that. That would be so freaking dope. I'd take you guys like on a vlog kind of day, but also, you know, set you up with something like this where we sit, eat, post for you guys, but try different places, like the best restaurants to go to on a budget in St. Pete or Tampa or something, you know, Clearwater, Miami. Y'all have no clue how good this is. Look at that. I can't even say that enough. Look at that. You guys, I'm getting better with my angles. Here we go. I'm getting better. Look at this bone. If I can, if I was ever on death row and it's like one restaurant, one home cooked meal, and one meal that one of your favorite family members would fix. One fast food, one home cooked meal. I'll reverse that. Fast food will have to be sushi. Even though it's not fast food, but you know, it's takeout. I would make this at home anytime because I make this all the time at home. I freaking love this. If you guys want me to make this, go ahead and comment down below and I'll show you guys how I make this so you can have your own simply at home. There's definitely too much sauce. I should try it with hot sauce. I haven't done it yet. It's so good, I eat it plain. It's agua. Yes, honey, agua it is. Freaking love it. Okay, let me get back into this. Because you know how when you drink water, like rinses your palate and you get like re-hungry again? That's exactly what's going on right now. You hear me? I was gonna have a break, but I don't think so. Look at that. It's me eating. Um, and by the way, this isn't how our little break area is. I had to fix this up, rig it so I can squeeze myself into the little corner and record this little video real quick before my bosses come. Look at that, clean that. Cleaned it, honey. I'm one of those eaters. I like to let my sit for a little bit. You know what I'm saying? And get back to action when it's time. Okay, you guys. A place, Mexican Grill. You feel me? Called Simply. Check them out. Pretty dope. But once again, I want to thank you guys for tuning in, watching. Keep posting every day. I've been posting videos every day, and I'm gonna try to continue on posting, keeping good content for you guys. I want to thank you once again. Don't forget to go check out my Instagram at Blake Gytchell, Gytchell. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Go ahead and subscribe. Hit that little ringer bell, ding, 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 dinger. You know what I'm saying? So you can see these whenever you like. So thank you guys once again. See you later, loves.